Hi everyone, this month's STEAM project from the library grab bags is marbleizing a mug. In your bag you will receive a bottle of nail polish, a container that fits the mug, and the mug. Also a toothpick to stir. I'm just going to use a pencil, but you'll get a toothpick. Please note, this is what the school is giving you. If you have another nail polish color that you would like to do, any nail polish will work, okay? So what you do is you fill the container about 3/4, a little over halfway with warm water. Not hot, but warm. Then you're going to pour some of your nail polish onto, it should just kind of make a layer on the top of the water. I'm gonna pour a lot because I want a lot of color. So you'll see how much I'm pouring, maybe for 4 seconds, right? So I've got a good amount of color on the top. Now, if you'd like to take your toothpick to kind of swirl this around, you can. See how it comes together. Then you take your mug by the handle. You dip it in for 3 seconds. So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. It comes out with the marbleized design, right? Cool. Now let's try, see if I have any left to do my handle. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Not so much. So I'm gonna sit, let this dry. Then here's a thought, pour some more in, right? So we can pour a little bit more of this in, and I'll do the handle of my mug, right? So I don't even need to swirl this around. I'm just gonna do the handle. I'm dipping it in, we count to 3. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Look at that, pretty cool. Sit it, let it dry, and you have a marbleized mug. I hope you enjoyed.